Hi, I'm Ro, your Wholesome Beauty Expert. Here at Lemon Beauty, we're enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're going to talk about our Cherry Lemon Lip Balm. So we've been making lip balms for quite a while now, and one of the biggest improvements that we've made to our current lip balms are using mango butter. Our lip balms are even more hydrating and moisturizing for your lip care. So our Cherry Lemon Lip Balms are fire, y'all. And of course, with a traditional lip balm, they're super easy to use. Give it a little twist, and then you're going to apply it. And the great thing about our lip balms, they give you that extra shine and moisture for your everyday skincare. I am obsessed with our cherry lemon flavored. So like one of the biggest things when it comes to facial care, I feel like a lot of people forget about their lips. We have a misconception that we only need to use lip balms during the winter because it's so dry. That's actually false. We should be using them all year round. Even humidity and dry temperatures can cause chapped lips. Our Cherry Lemon Lip Balm is definitely a staple to have. So after you've exfoliated with our Lemon Beauty Lip Scrub, you're gonna go ahead and add our Cherry Lemon Beauty Lip Balms. It smells amazing. I know you guys are gonna love it. And thank you for shopping Lemon Beauty, your perspectives inside.